There's Abby and her papa shoveling the snow. Good job, Abigail. Abby. Good job, Abs. You're helping your papa. Papa will help. Show Mama how you shovel, Abby.
Can you show Mama how you shovel? You shovel off this. Can you put that in the pile over there?
Good. Just tell Papa he has to get some. Okay, Abs. Good job, little girl.
Is that too heavy?
Snow is heavy.
Can you shovel that piece off the sidewalk, please? No, the piece that fell on the sidewalk.
There you go. You're doing a good job, Abs.
Off the sidewalk. Take the sidewalk snow and put it off the sidewalk.
Put it on the grass, Abs. Good job. Yay for Abby. Isn't she cute? Look at that face. Yeah. Hi. Neighbor. There's Nathan. He's walking. Nathan, you got so big, buddy. Was making Mama flinch. Good job, Abby. You get him.
You ready, Abs?
Throw it back at him. Go ahead. Good job.
You want to make Mama jump? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You did a very good job. Do it. Papa, you pick her up. That was a dud. That was a dud.
1, 2, 3.
We lost the hat. Good job, Abby.
It's getting cold.